Imagine earning rental income every single month without buying a house, dealing with tenants, or fixing a broken water heater at 2 a.m. Sounds too good to be true? It's not. It's called a REIT, and today we're going to show you exactly how it works and why so many beginners use REITs to build passive real estate income. Welcome to Business Training Media's Personal Finance and Investing series. In today's video, we're breaking down REITs in the simplest, clearest way possible. So by the end, you'll know exactly what they are, how they pay you, and how to decide whether they're right for your investment strategy. What exactly is a REIT? A REIT, short for Real Estate Investment Trust, is a company that owns or manages income-producing real estate. That includes things like apartments, office buildings, shopping centers, data centers, warehouses, hospitals, and more. Here's the key. Instead of buying the property yourself, you're buying shares in a company that owns the property. When those properties make money through rent or lease payments, the REIT pays that money back to investors like you in the form of dividends. In other words, REITs allow everyday people to invest in large-scale real estate, something that would normally require millions of dollars using just a small amount of money. How REITs make you money. REITs pay investors in two main ways: the dividend income you earn from the properties they operate and potential growth in the value of your shares over time. By law, REITs must pay at least 90% of their taxable income back to investors. This is why REITs are known for being some of the highest-paying dividend investments available. If you're looking for passive income, this is where REITs really shine. For many investors, that consistent, predictable payout is the main attraction. As a beginner, you'll encounter several different types of REITs, each with its own way of generating income and investment approach. Equity REITs own physical properties. Think apartments, storage facilities, or shopping centers. Mortgage REITs don't own buildings. Instead, they invest in real estate loans and earn money from interest. You'll also hear about public REITs, which trade on the stock market, and private REITs, which do not. Public REITs are usually where beginners start because they're easy to buy and sell, just like regular stocks, using any brokerage app. Why so many beginners choose REITs? Investors love REITs because they're simple, they're accessible, and they don't require hands-on work. You don't need to research neighborhoods, negotiate deals, qualify for mortgages, or manage repairs. You can start with as little as $10 or $20 and instantly own a slice of professionally managed real estate. They also offer diversification. Real estate doesn't always move in the same direction as the stock market, so REITs can help balance your overall investment portfolio. What to consider before you invest? Like any investment, REITs come with things you need to be aware of. Market volatility can affect share prices. Rising interest rates may impact how much REITs can borrow. And not all REITs perform the same. Some sectors, like data centers or industrial storage, might grow faster than others. The best approach is to research the REIT's track record, the type of properties it owns, and whether it consistently pays dividends. Remember, you're investing in the management team just as much as the properties themselves. Are REITs right for you? If your goal is to earn passive income, diversify your investments, or get exposure to real estate without the hassle of owning physical property, REITs can be an excellent choice. They're especially beginner-friendly because they're simple to understand, long-established, and available on almost every investing platform. Want to learn more? Check out our top recommended courses linked right in the description below. Some offer free enrollment and previews to get you started. Click on the links now. You can also find more videos from our channel popping up right here, or visit us online at businesstrainingmedia.com for more learning courses and skill-building resources. Thanks for watching.